Sending money from India to Philippines can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To start, you need to choose a reliable money transfer service that operates in both India and Philippines. Some popular options include banks, online money transfer services, and remittance companies. Step 1 is to gather the necessary documents and information. This typically includes your identification proof, the recipient's name and address, and their bank account details if you are transferring money directly to their bank account. Step 2 is to compare the exchange rates and fees offered by different money transfer services. Look for services that offer competitive exchange rates and low fees. You can use online comparison tools to find the best deal. Step 3 is to create an account with your chosen money transfer service. This usually involves providing your personal and identification details, as well as verifying your account through an email or SMS. Step 4 is to initiate the money transfer. You can do this online, through a mobile app, or by visiting a physical branch. Enter the recipient's details, the amount you want to transfer, and your payment method. You can pay using your debit or credit card, net banking, or cash. Step 5 is to review and confirm the transaction details. Make sure the recipient's details are correct, the exchange rate is favorable, and the fees are reasonable. Once you confirm the transaction, the money will be transferred to the recipient's account. Some popular money transfer services for sending money from India to Philippines include Xoom, PayPal, and Western Union. Banks such as State Bank of India and Assisi Bank also offer money transfer services. When choosing a service, consider factors such as speed, security, and customer support. To ensure a smooth transaction, make sure the recipient's bank account is eligible to receive international money transfers. Also, be aware of the daily transfer limits and any restrictions on sending money to Philippines. By following these steps and choosing a reliable money transfer service, you can send money from India to Philippines quickly and securely. Always prioritize security and use reputable services to avoid any potential risks or losses.